Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and you are completing your work on time. Okay, today we are going to start new chapter number 8, Grandfather Fights an Ostrich from our English students book. Before starting our chapter, children, I want to tell you few facts about the ostrich. Do you know children? The ostrich is the world's largest bird. And the ostriches have three stomachs. And when threatened, an ostrich can kill a human or a hunter with a forward kick. Let's see what's in the story. Okay, children, see on page number 76, chapter number 8, Grandfather Fights an Ostrich. Children, the author of the story is Ruskin Bond, and when he was young, his grandfather told him about an encounter that he once had with an ostrich. Encounter means a meeting that happened by chance. Let's read the story to find out what really happened. I lived in a small town, but my workplace was about 12 miles away, and I had to go to the work site on horseback. So, children, Ruskin Bond's grandfather lived in a small town and his workplace was about 12 miles away. Miles means a very long distance, a very long way. So his workplace was far away from his town. So he had to go on horseback to the work site. Work site means an area of land or place where people work. One day my horse had a small accident, so I decided to walk. I also knew of a shortcut through the hills that would save me about 6 miles. So one day the grandfather's horse had a small accident, so the grandfather decided to walk and he knew of a shortcut. He also knew of a shortcut that for that he had to go through the hills and that would save me about 6 miles. It means that would save his time. This shortcut went through an ostrich farm. It was the breeding season. I was quite familiar with the ways of ostriches and knew that male birds were very aggressive in the breeding season. But I also knew that my dog would scare away any bird that might try to attack me. So, children, grandfather had to cross that ostrich farm to reach his workplace, and that season was the breeding season. Breeding season means the season to produce young ones of animals or birds. It means that season, in that season, animals give birth to their young babies, and grandfather was quite familiar with the ways of ostriches, with the behaviors of ostriches, and he also knew that male ostriches were very aggressive in the breeding season. Aggressive means one who is very angry and ready to attack. So in that season, male ostriches were very aggressive, and he was also quite sure that his dog would scare away any bird. His dog would frighten away any bird if any bird might try to attack him. It may seem strange, but even the biggest ostrich will run faster than a race horse at the sight of even a small dog. I felt quite safe in the company of my dog. It is said that children, when an ostrich sees a small dog, he would run faster than a horse runs in a race. And grandfather felt safe in the company of his dog. So grandfather said that his dog would help him in any situation. On arrival at the farm, I climbed through the wire fencing and keeping a good lookout, dodged across the open spaces between the thorn bushes. So children, when the grandfather arrived at the farm, he climbed through the wire fencing. Wire fencing means a structure of wood or wire forming a wall around a house or a piece of land. See, this is a wire fencing, and grandfather climbed through that wire fencing, and he was watching the ostriches carefully, and he dodged across the open spaces between the thorn bushes. See children, these are the thorn bushes, and between these bushes a space is given, and grandfather used this space to cross the farm. Dodged means children to move quickly and suddenly to one side to avoid something. So he was using these thorn bushes to avoid the ostriches. Now and then I saw the birds feeding some distance away. Now and then children means sometimes but not regularly. So he was watching the ostriches, and sometimes he was crossing the farm also through that open space. I had gone about half a mile from the fencing when I startled a hare. In an instant, my dog began chasing the hare. I tried calling him back, even though I knew it was hopeless. Startled. Startled means children shocked or frightened or suddenly surprised. So, when the grandfather had gone about half a mile away from that fencing, grandfather was shocked. He saw that his dog was chasing the hare. Hare means a wild rabbit, and grandfather tried calling him back. Grandfather tried calling his dog back, but it was hopeless. I don't know whether it was the dog's bark or my own shouting, but what was most worried about immediately happened. The ostriches were startled and began darting to and fro. So, children, when the dog was barking at the hare, and at the same time, grandfather was calling his dog back. So, the noises were coming together. Dog's bark and grandfather's shouting was coming together. So, grandfather don't know it was my shouting or the dog's bark, and he was worried about that thing which happened immediately. So the ostriches were startled and began darting to and fro. Darting means children making a sudden quick movement. So after this noise, the ostriches began running here and there in all the directions, to and fro. To and fro means moving constantly backwards and forwards. Because of that noise, the voice which was coming together, dog's bark and grandfather's shouting. Because of that voice, the ostriches were startled and they moved in all the directions. Suddenly, I saw a big male bird come out from a bush about 100 yards away. He stood still and stared at me for a few moments. After that, children, suddenly a big male bird, a big male ostrich came out from a bush about 100 yards away. Yards mean children, it is a unit of measurement, and 1 yard equal to 3 feet means 91 centimeter. So about 100 yards away, a male bird came out from that bush, and he stood still. Stood still means without any movement. He stared at the grandfather. Stared means looking at someone for a long time. So he stared at the grandfather for a few moments. I stared back. Grandfather also stared at him. Then, expanding his short wings and with his tail erect, he came bounding towards me. Then, after that, he expanded his short wings. Expanded means he made his wings larger, and with his tail erect, he came bounding towards him. Bounding means he he was running with long steps towards the grandfather. Bounding means running with long steps. As I had nothing, not even a stick with which to defend myself, I ran towards the fence. So children, when that male ostrich came bounding towards the grandfather, and grandfather had nothing with him, not even a stick with which he could defend himself. Defend means to protect from harm or danger. So he had nothing with him, and he ran towards the fence. But it was an unequal race. What were my steps of 2 or 3 feet against the creature's great strides of 16 to 20 feet? It means, children, that creature was taking larger steps than the grandfather. Generally, when we walk, when we run, we take small steps, but that male ostrich was taking great strides. Great strides means long steps when walking or running. So it was an unequal race. There was only one hope, to get behind a large bush and try to escape the bird until help came. So the grandfather thought to get behind a large bush, to hide behind a large bush and try to escape. Escape means to get free from that large bird, and he want to hide himself behind the bushes until help came. So he was waiting for the help, that somebody would come and help him. And so I rushed for the nearest thorn bushes and waited for the ostrich. So the grandfather hid behind the thorn bushes and waited for the ostrich. Means waited for the ostrich means uh, he waited there, that what would be the next step of ostrich. What would be he doing next? And the great bird was immediately upon me. So that great bird stood in front of grandfather. So children, now we are stopping our story here. Rest of the story we will be doing in our next video. And children, your homework is you have to find the meanings of the given below words. Aggressive, defend, strides, breeding season, bounding. Use a dictionary to get the meanings of these words. And yes, on page number 78 in your textbook, few meanings are also given there, and I will be asking you these words, the meanings of these words, when we will meet in our Zoom classes. Bye bye. Good day.